Ever wondered what MIDI actually is and why every music producer uses it? Today, I'm breaking down MIDI in the simplest, clearest way possible. And once you understand this, music production becomes way easier. First, MIDI is not audio. It's not a sound file. It doesn't record your voice, your synths, or your guitar. MIDI stands for Musical Instrument Digital Interface. It's basically a language, a way for devices to talk to each other. MIDI tells your computer what to play, not how it sounds. Think of it like sheet music for your DAW. With MIDI, you can control what notes are played, how long they last, how hard you play the notes, velocity, pitch bend's mod wheel, aftertouch automation of any knob or slider. And the best part? You can edit every one of these things after you record. MIDI gives you total freedom. Hit the wrong key, move it. Want the melody higher, transpose it. Want a tighter rhythm, quantize it. Want to change the sound entirely, just load a new instrument, the MIDI stays the same. A MIDI controller doesn't make sound by itself. It sends MIDI signals to your computer. Keyboards, pad controllers, drum kits, DJ controllers, all of them speak MIDI. When you draw notes in your DAW, that's MIDI. When you record a melody from your keyboard, that's MIDI. When you automate a filter or volume change, that's also MIDI. Here's a simple example. Track 1 has MIDI notes. Track 2 is a synth like Serum or Analog. MIDI tells the synth which notes to play. The synth creates the sound, and that's MIDI, the digital language that makes modern music production possible. If you want tutorials on MIDI effects, MIDI chords, or MIDI controllers, drop a comment and I'll make more. Don't forget to like and subscribe.